Hi, my name is Roberto Chica. I'm from the University of Ottawa, and I'm one of the organizers of the Keystone Symposium on Computational Design and Modeling of Biomolecules. And the original idea for creating this event was to provide a venue for all members of the computational design community in the world to get together and discuss the current state of the art, share ideas, and interact in a collegial and inclusive environment.
I'm at the University of Colorado. I'm another organizer of this Keystone Symposium. Excited to see everyone in person, and it's going to be an absolutely fantastic conference.
Right. So I guess for me, the hope is to help in cross-pollination of ideas between the different groups. Because we made sure that we invited groups that develop different or use different methods. And the hope is that they will influence each other and basically share ideas that will help move the field forward and lead to new discoveries. The new advances that are really exciting to explore now is the incorporation of big data and machine learning into molecular design. I think this has a lot of potential to really move the field forward in the next couple of years. So it'll be interesting to see what people are doing in this area of research. I'm also very partial to the development of methods that enable us to design molecules as ensemble of different structural states, which can more accurately represent their actual structures.
I mean, I think this last year, and a revolutionary is the right word, advances in use of deep learning for protein structure prediction. And I think that this meeting is going to show really the vanguard of that learning approach for design. And in fact, another major thrust for this meeting would be the first principles design of these effective vaccines and therapeutics, which you can do from some of these, both from first principles and also from some of these big data approaches. And so to that end, we really hope to see robust and fantastic participation from our industrial colleagues. Neil King is an invited speaker, and some of his protein designs are in clinical trials for the next generation of COVID vaccines. And the other major therapeutic advances, of course, we are joint with Antibodies as drugs, so that there will be participation with really world-renowned speakers who are at the interface between developing antibodies as drugs as well as computational design. I think from the antibody drug communities, I view them as some of the best protein chemists on the planet, protein chemists and protein biochemists on the planet, because antibodies as drugs is over $100 billion a year business. And so you have really top-notch intellects working on these problems. And so we hope to gain some of that. We hope that cross-pollination between those fields would be really beneficial. What we can contribute to those fields is really the first or design from first principles things that are more effective antibodies or the underlying methods to do so.
Anybody that's interested in the design of biomolecules is welcome and should attend. So either people who are actively involved in this area or those that want to get involved in this area should attend, because this will be really a broad overview of what's happening now in this field. It's going to be diverse enough that I think most people interested in this area will find something that will keep them engaged. And importantly, there will be opportunities for networking and interacting. So it's not just about sitting there in a room and listening to presentations. It's also having the opportunity to talk to world-leading experts in this field and learn directly from them.
We hope to see everyone in person, and the majority, if not every one of the invited speakers will be there in person, and we'll have a fantastic environment for that. But there are virtual options as well, and so virtual attendees will be able to go and ask questions during sessions and be able to contribute as well.
We hope to see many of you participate in this meeting. We hope to meet you in person, and if not, to interact with you online. And we look forward to a very interesting meeting on the topic of computational design and modeling of biomolecules.